Hello everyone, I am Dr. Rajendra Ghola, Assistant Professor and Head Department of English, Arts and Commerce College Vani, District Nashik, Maharashtra. Here I am dealing with a very well known poem written by John Masefield, that is Laugh and Be Merry. So here it is an introduction to the poet John Masefield. Is English poet and writer born in Herefordshire. He was poet laureate of United Kingdom from 1930 to 1967. He had prolific writing career. He wrote 50 volumes of verse, 20 novels and 8 plays. The best known children's novels he wrote were The Midnight Folk and The Box of Delights. His best known poems were The Everlasting Mercy and Sea Fever. Let us see about the poem. This poem, Laugh and Be Merry, urges people to be cheerful and spread good cheer in the world. A merry disposition can save people and make the world a better place despite blows and bruises. Even when God made heaven and earth, He added delight to what He created. Joy of the twinkling stars, the joy of the earth itself. Human beings have to celebrate the beauty and the joy of the stars and the sky and of the green earth that God has made and emulate the joy of universe. Merriment should be the watchword to continue on the journey of life, which after all is very short-lived and is like a sojourn in a beautiful inn. When the music and the dancing of existence stop, life comes to an end. So it is important to keep cheerful as long as the music and the dance of life go. Here is the poem. I read, Laugh and be merry, remember, better the world with a song. Better the world with a blow in the teeth of a wrong. Laugh, for the time is brief, a thread the length of a span. Laugh and be proud to belong to the old proud pageant of man. Laugh and be merry, remember, in olden time, God made heaven and earth, for joy He took in a rhyme. Make them and fill them with the strong red wine of His mirth, the splendid joy of the stars, the joy of the earth. So we must laugh and drink from the deep blue cup of the sky, join the jubilant song of the great stars sweeping by. Laugh and battle and work and drink of the wine outpoured in the dear green earth, the sign of the joy of the Lord. Laugh and be merry together like brother a keen, guesting a while in the rooms of a beautiful inn, glad till the dancing stops and the lilt of the music ends. Laugh till the game is played and be you merry, my friends. So this is the gist of the poem. In this poem, Laugh and Be Merry, the poet John Masefield wants us to be cheerful and enjoy our life as its fullest. The poet reminds us that we human beings are like temporary guests who stay in inn for a while. He says that a good laugh is sunshine in the house. The most wasted day in life is the day in which we have not laughed. God created heaven and earth and filled them with joy and laughter. Therefore, one should laugh happily. Man should make a better world. Our life is short, therefore man should be proud to belong to the mankind. The poet wanted us to live with joy. Let us treat others like brothers. Thank you. Have a nice day.